The markets have a breaking point, or can nothing derail this rate cut hopium, as Bob would call it? Let me bring in Chris Gaffney. He's president of world markets at TIAA Bank. And Andres Garcia-Amaya is the founder and CEO of Zoe Financial. It's great to have you both here. So, Andres, does this all just go back to the Fed rate cut or the Fed decision this week? And even this morning, the commentary from Neil Kashkari saying he was pushing for a half-point rate cut, and Clarida saying, yeah, the case for accommodation has increased.
Yeah, so if you think about valuation, it's affected by price and earnings, right? So that P is now being affected in a positive way of the expectation of cost of capital coming down. Ultimately, though, that E still matters, and earnings this year don't look very appealing compared to past years. So that's something to keep in mind as this hopium maybe dies down and you go back to reality of looking at earnings.
Sure, but Chris, the numbers this month, this has been an amazing June. We were just getting our heads around how bad May was, and we've sprung right back up. As Bob said, we're up 8% on the Dow. Apple's up 16% this month. We're only 2/3 of the way through. So for anybody looking to say, hey, this was a buying opportunity, did they miss it already? Does it make sense to you that we're at all-time highs?
Yeah, it does. I mean, the economy is generally good for companies, low interest rates, and the Fed's, going to stand behind us. So, we do think we'll drift higher, but there are risks, and forward earnings is really the big risk in where they're going to go. We think there's better opportunities perhaps in emerging markets, and where, a lower U.S. dollar with lower interest rates should support the economies in the emerging markets.
Yeah, the dollar's certainly weaker.